Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we will explore Trump Media and Technology Group in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 8th of September, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 4th day of September 2025, our system has classified Trump Media and Technology Group as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.77. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has gone through natural fluctuations with an increase of 1.73%. This results in an average return of 0.58% per day since it has been categorized as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned in the middle of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further decreases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 10.77% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 19.20% to negative 0.90%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 23.41%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 99.23% and positive 83.44% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 13.2 cents and $31.28. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Trump Media and Technology Group Corp. Stock price up 2.22% on Monday. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corp. Stock price gained 2.22% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 8th of September, 2025, rising from $16.68 to $17.05. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.76%, with a low of $16.50 and a high of $17.12. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 4.59% for this period. Volume increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical sign with a total of 544,000 more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 7 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $120,430,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $54.68 and the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price is 68.82%. or $37.63 below the 52-week high, and 78.52%, or $62.33 below the all-time high on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price reached $79.38. Trump Media has recently finalized a strategic purchase agreement with Crypto.com, involving an exchange of cash and stock for Kronos, commonly referred to as CRO. This partnership will facilitate the integration of CRO and the Crypto.com wallet infrastructure across platforms such as Truth Social, Truth Plus, and Truth Finance. This agreement follows the company's initiatives in August to establish a cryptocurrency treasury vehicle aimed at accumulating CRO, alongside a revised filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission that indicates progress towards a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund effort. The markets have already responded. Shares of Donald J. Trump surged following the announcement of the crypto partnership in late August, and the closing of this deal in September solidifies the company's new direction in financial technology. In the short term, we can anticipate ongoing volatility and rallies driven by positive sentiment, as investors reassess potential new revenue streams and the impact of user engagement from token-based rewards. Trading volumes and speculative flows are likely to remain elevated. In the long run, the success of this initiative will hinge on the adoption of CRO across these platforms, the regulatory environment surrounding cryptocurrencies and exchange-traded funds, and the company's capacity to monetize its financial technology products. However, it is important to consider that dilution from stock considerations and exposure to a volatile token could pose significant downside risks, particularly if the cryptocurrency markets or regulatory frameworks take a downturn. Analysts have assigned Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025, and so far, it has risen nearly 5%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. However, there are also some negative signals that may impact short-term developments. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more pessimistic forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be some resistance from the lines at $17.15 and $17.71. A breakthrough above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may be of interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 23 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 24 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 28 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 145 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 140 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $16.99, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with substantial trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.62 between its high and low, which is a change of 3.76%. During the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 2.86%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the K/E ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors outside of their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may indicate a lack of profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of November, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $18.67. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $16.99. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from various analyst sources is categorized as a sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 29th of August, 2025, Eric Swider executed an insider sale of 5,000 shares of common stock valued at $0.0001 per share. On the 22nd of August, 2025, George Edward Bell made an insider purchase of 23,105 shares of common stock, valued at $0.0001 per share. On the same day, David Longley Bernhardt also conducted an insider purchase of 23,105 shares of common stock, valued at $0.0001 per share. On the 3rd of March, 2025, George Edward Bell executed an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 20th of February, 2025, David Longley Bernhardt conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. Analyzing the 86 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 19.105. In total, insiders acquired 227,045,725 shares and disposed of 116,050,810 shares during these 86 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $16.02, reflecting a decrease of 6.04%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, which indicates a medium level of risk. Furthermore, a buy signal has been generated from a pivot bottom identified 22 days ago. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation presents several negative indicators, suggesting it may be a candidate for selling. However, considering the potential for a turnaround, it might be worth holding or accumulating in this position while we await further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 9th of September, we anticipate Trump Media and Technology Group will open lower by 160/10,000ths of a dollar, beginning trading at $16.89. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment choices solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.